Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Sam Kwok, one of the Kwok brothers, real estate investor and entrepreneur, and chances are you want to start building your business credit, but you're unsure on what the first steps are and how to actually get started. So in this video, we're gonna go and take a deep dive of the first step of building your business credit. And at the end of the video, I'll leave you guys with a free gift to help you build your business credit even faster. All right, so you want to build your business credit, but you're really unsure on how to get started because of the overwhelming amount of information out there about business credit. And it could easily be said that there are 30 to 40 steps in completely building your business credit. But instead of going through all the steps, we're gonna go and focus on the very first step of building your business credit, because I really want you guys to have that momentum and the confidence to finish the rest of the steps of building your business credit. Like there's a popular saying, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. So in this video, we're gonna go in and take the one bite at a time approach of building your business credit. Now, the very first thing you need to do when it comes to building your business credit is to click the like button on this video, as it does help us out with our YouTube algorithm. But seriously though, if you can help us blow up this video on YouTube, we can go and create more videos about business credit in the near future. Okay, so the real first step of building your business credit is to have your legal entity set up. Now, your legal entity is your corporation, your LLC, your LLP, and my recommendation is to go talk to an attorney about which legal entity is the best fit for you. Now, this does mean that you have to go and talk to an attorney and pay a little bit of fee for that, but it's gonna pay off in the long run, because if you choose the wrong legal entity and you go down the road and build your business credit, you may have to start all over and come back and fix a mistake, and it's gonna cost a lot of time and energy, and nobody wants that. So make sure you go and set up your legal entity the right way the first time, and that involves in talking to an attorney about determining which legal entity is the best fit for you and for your business. Because depending on your business, you may need a corporation or LLC, and it all depends on what your business does. So be sure you talk to an attorney about setting up your legal entity. It could just be a 5 to 10 minute conversation, so don't skip that step. Okay, with your legal entity, also make sure you have all the supporting documents for that legal entity. So this is your operating agreement, your bylaws, your EIN, which stands for Employer Identification Number. Think of this as your social security number, but for your business. So to file taxes for your business, you're gonna need your EIN. To set up a bank account, you're gonna need your EIN. And of course, to set up your business credit, you're gonna need your EIN. So you definitely don't want to skip that step either. To get your EIN, it's free. You can go get it from the IRS website, and it's usually about 5 to 10 minutes long. If your attorney who's setting up your legal entity includes that in your package, then of course your attorney is gonna set that up for you in your behalf. Okay, so legal entity set up, you got your supporting documents, your EIN. Now it's time to make your business legitimate. And what I mean by legitimate, you need a website. So just a word of caution, you don't need anything fancy in the beginning. Don't need any bells and whistles, don't get flashy things, right? All you need is a simple one-page website that details what your business does, your service, maybe a little bio about who you are and your background. That's all you need. You do not need to spend $2,000 or $3,000 on a website. In fact, a lot of times you can get a website for free through services like Google Sites or Wix. If you're a little bit of a tax savvy like I am, you can go ahead and set up a free Amazon Web Service account, pay your annual $12 fee for your domain, and you can get a WordPress hosting virtually for free from the start. So that's an option you can go. If you have a little bit of a budget when it comes to setting up your website, you can hire offshore or overseas virtual assistant to help you build a site. Now, I know some of you guys might be thinking, that sounds a little sketchy there, but rest assured, guys, I personally use virtual assistants every single day in my business to get my business along the way. And a lot of these people from countries like Philippines and India, they're very talented when it comes to building websites, and they could do it for very, very low cost. So that's something that you guys can go and do as an option. And where I get my virtual assistants, I get them from Upwork.com, and I'll leave that link down below in the description section so that all you have to do is just click the button and you're there. Okay, so you got your website set up. Now it's time to get your business phone number, and this is separate from your personal phone number, and you are gonna want to have a separate business phone number for privacy's sake, as well as making sure that you have your schedule protected. Now, with your business phone number, you can get a free business phone number from Google Voice. And if you have a Gmail account, well, congratulations, now you have a Google Voice account as well. So with Google Voice, what's really nice is that you can make calls and receive text messages for free. And later down the road, if you choose to upgrade your services to more of a paid service, you can go ahead and transfer your Google Voice phone number to a paid service version of the phone number. So it's really nice, it's flexible, and it's free, and it's a great way to get started. So go and get your Google Voice number set up. Again, doesn't have to be elaborate or fancy or sophisticated. Keep it simple and get your Google Voice number to get started. Now, the next step is a little tricky as you're gonna need a separate business address. And I know a lot of you guys are just getting started from your home, your bedroom, your basement, garage, or even a dorm room. So it may be a challenge for you to get a separate business address because not many of us have that luxury of having a separate office space. But luckily, there are businesses that offer a service called virtual office or virtual business address. What this basically is you pay this business a monthly fee for basically you being able to use their business address and a unit number, and basically this is your business address. So this is a great temporary solution until you get your business up and running, you're profitable, and then later on you can get a business office, and that will be your business address. But for the time being, because you need a separate business address, a virtual address is a great solution for you to get started, and it doesn't cost a whole lot of money to do it. Now, I know there's a lot of talks about getting a PO box, but unfortunately, a lot of the creditors and lenders want to see an actual physical address, not a PO box. So unfortunately, a PO box may not be all that useful when it comes to building your business credit. So you are gonna need that physical separate business address from services like a virtual address. Now, the next step is completely optional, but this can help when it comes to increasing the odds of getting business credit, which is getting a fax number. Now, a lot of times today, you can get an online fax number instead of having to actually have a physical fax machine. You can get an online fax number that's attached to your email, which is very convenient. So this service typically goes anywhere between $5 to $20 a month, depending on how sophisticated of a software you use. But you can get a virtual fax number, and it can help with increasing the odds of approval rates and success with business credit. Okay, so we got your business entity, got your EIN, website, phone number, address, fax number, the whole 9 yards. Now we need what's called a DUNS number. DUNS number is issued from a bureau called Dun and Bradstreet, which is a company like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The exception is that Dun and Bradstreet is specifically for business credit. Now, getting DUNS number is free, okay? Remember that, it's free, because there's gonna be services out there that may say, hey, you need to pay us $90 to get a DUNS number, or you may have to pay $30 to get a DUNS number. Completely untrue. Now, if you do want more of an expedited service, you can pay a fee to get your DUNS number pretty much instantly, but to get a DUNS number, it's essentially free, right? You can wait 2 to 3 weeks, you'll get an email from Dun and Bradstreet, and you'll get your DUNS number. Now, there are other services that may help you build your business credit, but getting DUNS number is free, okay? Just let's leave it at that. All right, one of the final steps is to register your business with 411. This is often the most forgotten steps, and a lot of people skip the step, and this is devastating if you don't do this. So registering with 411 may sound old school or archaic, but this is a required step to help you build your business credit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and leave the link to register your business with 411 down below in the description section. All you have to do is click that link and register your business with 411. Now, what may actually help even more is to list your business with Google Business, with Yelp, and different listing sites that are out there so that your business is public and it can be found, and your business is out there for people to search. So make sure you register your business with 401, that's required. As an option, you can go ahead and list your business on Google as well as on Yelp. You can also do it on Bing, all these different search engines. You can go ahead and register your business in those different search engines out there. Okay, so every step along the way that we just talked about has one thing in common, and that is to establish legitimacy of your business. So getting a business phone number, business address, all these things add to the fact that your business is real. So anything that you can do to make your business more legitimate, more real, more public, more searchable can help you with increasing the odds of building your business credit and the success rate of building your business credit. So like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and leave the free gift with you guys. The free gift is a checklist to help you check off different steps in building your business credit. It's about 27 pages long, so you guys can go and download that. The download link will be down below in the link description below, and also leave it on the comment section so that you do not miss the download link. Go and download that. It's absolutely free. It's my gift to you guys for checking out this video. And if you felt like this video was helpful and valuable to you in any way, feel free to subscribe and click like on this video. It does help us a lot, once again, with the YouTube algorithm, and hit the notification bell so that you guys get notified for our future videos about business credit, about real estate, finance, and how to make money in general. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys in another video.